A is for Aster. B is for Bluebell. C is for Cosmos. D is for Daffodil. E is for Evening Primrose. F is for Freesia. G is for Gardenia. H is for Hollyhock. I is for Iris. J is for Jasmine. K is for Kangaroo Paw. N is for Nigella. O is for Orchid. P is for Peony. Q is for Quince. R is for Rose. S is for Sunflower. T is for Tulip. U is for Xerophytes. V is for Violet Flower. W is for Windflower. X is for Xerophytes. Y is for Yellow Bell. Z is for Zinnia.